Hey Cornelius. Hey Zeus. I see you're still playing with your little Aphmau Meemeows from last week, which makes me think. I love the little plastic ones. They're perfect for any shelf, but I do believe they make bigger, squishier, plushy ones. So yeah, we kind of have to. Yeah. Oh my. Aphmau Meemeow's classic plush variety of the Elemental series? Yes. I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, back there, and you all know Zeus. And on today's episode, we are bringing you more Aphmau goodness. This is my new favorite series, or litter. I say that every time, whether the ocean one was my favorite, the crystal one, celestial one was my favorite. But these are my real favorite for right now anyway. I only got 3, so let's just, any of them are great, but I'm really hoping for the most one. These are ginormous. It says 11-inch, and yeah, this is quite the bag. There are little holes, which makes me wonder, can you, before you buy, tell what you're getting? Huh. What we got going on there? Oh my god, we got the water one. Oh, look how sparkly. That does come with a pamphlet, and it shows all the ones you can get. Earth, air, fire, water, lightning, ice/snow, light and dark. Oh my gosh, Zeus, look. It's almost as big as you. You want to sit with them? Okay. Now, I did notice that random piece of cardboard was down in the bottom by the holes. So I think that's so you can't see what you're getting, but part of me wants to try really hard. Okay. I look like a crazy person, but I'm saying this is the ice cat. Unfortunately, trying to do this in the toy aisle of whatever store you're at, you're probably going to look insane. Let's see. Oh, it's soft. Yup. Ice cat it is. Ooh, more sparkles. I didn't even notice the little snowflake up top. Is it getting crowded up here, Zeus? I'm saying this is lightning cat. Oh. Okay, if there was one I wanted next to the earth one, it would be the lightning cat. Oh my god. Even like metallic. I gotta say, they are a solid plush. Who needs couch pillows on your sofa when you could have a bunch of elemental plushy cats? I might need the whole series now. Overall, I love them. They're the exact same design as the small ones, but plushie version. And it's impressive how they go from plastic to the plushie. Like what was just molding on the snow on the little one is all extra fuzzy. It's like a little lamb. And you even get like metallic fabric, and you still got the shimmer that was on the plastic version of the water one on this one as well. So I think I may be looking for more of these. But yeah, overall, this is the first time I've gotten the large ones, and I regret nothing. I love them so much. Thank you so much for joining us on our little Aphmau Meemeow journey over the last week or two. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Maybe more squishy, kitty, fuzzy goodness. You look like one of the Aphmau Zeus. Which element are you? I think you would be... Does chaos count? As you try and turn off the lights. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Like I said, I really wanted the moss one, so I wanted to test my theory. So yes, I went to a lot of stores doing this, trying to peek into a tiny hole. I don't know how many I went through until I found one where I think I found a spot of green. Yes! It's real awkward when you're going into busy stores looking in those bags, but it paid off. So yeah, if you're willing to look a little crazy, peek through the bottom hole, and as long as you know what you're looking for, what color-wise, you should be able to find it. And here we have the classic plush versions of the Aphmau Meemeows Elemental series. We have ice, lightning, and water, and whatever element you are, Zeus. I'm still going with chaos. Is cuteness an element? Are you an Aphmau Meemeow?